Bottom screws.
To get to the lower screw, you must first remove the sill panel a little or completely. To do this, simply remove the Torx screws on the bottom. Then simply pull the panel outwards. And if you haven't overlooked any screw, not like me, then you can take off the cover. The screw is located quite far forward and is screwed from bottom to top. Remove screw.
Screw behind the wheelhouse liner.
To do this, you have to remove both parts of the wheelhouse liner. I don't think this needs to be explained in detail. Simply remove all the nuts and bolts. Since I don't want to make the video unnecessarily long, I will only show excerpts from it. The rear part of the wheelhouse liner is attached to the fender with 3 expanding rivets. These expanding rivets should be obtained beforehand. After the rear part of the wheelhouse liner has been removed, you can see the lower screw on the inside. Remove screw. At the front, the bumper is first attached to the fender with 2 screws. Remove the screws shown. And then remove the screw of the fender to the retaining plate.
Screw to the A-pillar.
Open the door. The screw is located at the top and is easily accessible. Remove screw.
Upper screws.
First, remove the 3 plastic expanding rivets on the top and remove the cover. After that, the 3 screws on the top are freely accessible and can be removed. Now you can remove the fender. And that's it. Totally simple. Good luck with making it yourself.